Okay, as I promised, here's where the low pressure port is on this car. 2000 Lincoln Navigator. Sorry. Checking out the zoom feature on this thing. That's the high pressure port. Right there, there's the engine bay. High pressure port's right there. Follow the high pressure line. And the low pressure port is behind this thing right here. You have to take 2 screws off the top. This is the starter relay box. Pull this down. And let me zoom in a little bit. And you will see the connector. Where is it? It's right there. See it? There's the cap. It's right there. You have to reach in there and unscrew it, which you can. I got it off just a minute ago. It's a little difficult to see down in there. There it is. Right there. On the side of that accumulator. So we gotta move this out of the way. Gotta move this out of the way. Reach down in there and you got enough space barely to get the hoses on there. Get the cap off, wiggle the hose on there, and then you can set up your manifold gauges. And you can read the pressure on the air conditioning system. I'm not sure I want to go to all that much trouble, but I did want to show you where it was anyway, because I've got it hidden. 2 bolts get that off, and then it doesn't take but a minute, but it's still a pain. Anyway, there you go. Hope this video is not as crappy as some of the ones I've done. Yeah, zoom. Anyway, there you go.